The Hornets taking on the Nuggets. Shaq in a fool already in the first quarter. Marvin Williams wide open on the break, and it goes out of bounds. Shaq is gonna love that one. Oh my goodness. Nikola Jokic with another big game, 39 points tonight. Monk gonna get loose for the slam. Gotta take another look at that one. As the big man is boxing the defense out, that's some cheese. Transition for the Nuggets. Now it's gonna be Gary Harris throwing one down over Bridges. He had to return the favor. He had to let him know we can dunk too in the Mile High City. Another turnover, another slam. This time it's a windmill for Bridges. The fans are loving this action. A little dunk contest preview. Now Jokic gets the steal, and he's gonna get a rare dunk. 2-point game. Jokic looking, he's gonna pop the three. If you sag off, your swag's off. You know the rules. Now he's being a bully, forcing his way inside, gives it to Millsap for the and one. The Nuggets are starting to take a commanding lead. Fourth quarter, Kemba with a tough acrobatic layup, 10-point game. Is this gonna be enough to get him back in it? Is it too little, too late? Paul Millsap isolating. Misses, but Jokic is there with the tip in. Jokic in the post now with the spin move. Look at the big fella go. Putting up the numbers tonight. He gets another offensive rebound, and then he's just gonna throw up the hook. That's an and one. He gets clapped in the face from Biyombo. What a shot, and the Nuggets go on to win. Look at this, the first play of the game. Oh, it's a lob. Oh, it went off the glass. I heard it hit the glass.
Is this a fake video?
Ben Simmons off the corner of the backboard. Who does that? He's a savage. It's right on the money. That is funny.